Hi, I am Taro Naruka, and in this video I am going to describe you about how to increase height during puberty. How to increase height during puberty is the question to which many teenagers want to find an answer. A tall-figured person looks good and smarter than the ones who are not sufficiently strong. Boys and girls who have attained puberty generally start growing dramatically tall. But it is not the case with all. When puberty is attained, there is a hormonal influx in the body of a person, and that stimulates the pituitary glands to produce an increased amount of growth hormones. Some teenagers don't grow sufficiently owing to factors like heredity, nutritional deficiencies, sleep disorders, certain medications and sicknesses, abnormalities pertaining to the pituitary glands, etc. Teenagers want to look good and trendy. Many of them who feel they are not growing as much as their friends are desperate to increase height. They want to find an answer to the query how to increase height during puberty. One can increase height during puberty by following a healthy diet plan and by practicing few height-enhancing exercises. Certain minerals and vitamins are absolutely necessary for you if you want to increase your height. Therefore, the first advice on how to increase height during puberty would be to consume a balanced diet consisting in adequate quantities of minerals, vitamins and proteins. Vitamin A is one of the most essential nutrients required to increase the strength and stature of the skeletal system. So eat foods high in vitamin A such as carrots, cantaloupes, lettuce, liver, sweet potatoes, dried herbs, red peppers and green leafy veggies. Vitamin B complexes such as B1, B12 can also help one grow taller. These vitamins manufacture blood cells and supply the body with all the energy it requires during the growth phase. Foods high in these vitamins are citrus fruits, grapefruit, watermelons, bananas, legumes, leafy veggies, chicken and seafood. Revamping of soft tissues is required for enhancing height, and that can be achieved by means of vitamin C obtained from citrus fruits. Vitamin F also helps you to grow tall. It is found in food items like avocado, flaxseed, sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, walnuts, etc. Vitamin D is another height-enhancing vitamin. It can be obtained through optimum sunlight exposure. Proteins coming from sources like eggs, fish, meat, chicken, cheese, etc., and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, zinc, etc. coming from milk and other dairy products, fruits and veggies are also very necessary to allow an adolescent to grow taller. The other tips on how to increase height during puberty are stretching exercises and anaerobic activities like hanging, swimming, bicycling and rope jumping, optimum sleep to allow the pituitary glands to function properly. So now I think the query how to increase height during puberty has been answered. By Long Looks Capsules, World Wide Web. Researchfoundation.com